At Rocky Mountain Restoration, we take great pride in our commitment to expert evaluation. When water damage strikes, it's not always a clear-cut situation. That's why we go the extra mile to carefully assess every scenario. Our team of highly trained professionals conducts a meticulous evaluation to determine what can be salvaged and what may be beyond repair. We understand that your home is not just a physical structure, it holds memories, sentimental value, and the essence of your life. That's why we approach each situation with empathy and precision. We believe in giving your cherished belongings a fighting chance. Unlike some others out there that may rush to declare everything a total loss, we take the time to consider the unique characteristics of your situation. We utilize advanced techniques and technology to identify hidden damage and moisture levels. This thorough evaluation not only helps in saving your precious possessions, but also contributes to a more sustainable approach by reducing unnecessary waste. Our commitment to expert evaluation does not end there. We work closely with you to develop a customized plan, ensuring that every effort is made to restore your home and belongings to their pre-damaged condition. This tailored approach sets us apart, and we're proud to be the team that you can trust in times of need. So when you choose Rocky Mountain Restoration, you're not just choosing a restoration service. You're choosing a partner that genuinely cares about preserving what matters most to you. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Rocky Mountain is here to assist you every step of the way, anytime, any day.